I'm standing here at our new location off of Centerville Road in Lancaster. Hi everybody, this is Audrey from Benjamin Roberts, and I'm standing here at our new location off of Centerville Road in Lancaster. We were and still are for a little while located also off of Prince Street in downtown Lancaster. We love that location, who wouldn't? But that location was no longer meeting our needs. We really needed our warehouse space and offices and showroom to be together, and this location allows us to do that much more efficiently, and it helps us to work together better as a team. So we're excited to be here. We're excited also to start designing our new space. As an office furniture and workplace furniture dealership and as an architectural interiors products dealership, we have access to the same great products that we're able to offer to you when you work with Benjamin Roberts. So that means we can get our hands on some beautiful, comfortable, ergonomically friendly, sustainably made, usually made in the USA products to design our new space with. So our team's really excited, and we're excited to take you along on the journey of designing and outfitting our new space. So come along with us, and thanks for watching. All right, well, welcome to the exterior of our new building. You can see one of our Benjamin Roberts trucks is already parked at the entrance to what is now our warehouse. And you can see here what will eventually be a beautifully redesigned entrance to our building where the showroom and our offices will be housed. So this is what it looks like before. Obviously, there's nothing in here right now. We have not moved to the new location yet in full. However, our warehouse is functioning out of the new location now, which is exciting. You can see there's a lot of really great natural light in this space, and there's about to be more. There will be some walls coming down and extensive renovations in this area, which will become some of our offices for our staff, but primarily a showroom, which will feature our office furniture that we offer, education furniture, healthcare furniture, and all the different things that we offer to our clients in terms of contract furniture and architectural interior products, which is acoustics and walls and things like that. So you'll see that in that space. And now this space we plan to eventually renovate into some of our staff offices. And here you can see the old kitchen. We will be expanding and updating that space to create something really comfortable and relaxing for our employees to enjoy. Now here is our warehouse space, which is larger than the space we were using before, which is a wonderful change that has happened with the move to the new location. The other advantage of this is that before we had our warehouse separate from our showroom and our offices, and now at our new location we can all be together, which will make working together as a team and efficiency and better workflows and all of those sorts of things possible, which will be great help to us as a company and help us better serve our clients. So that is your sneak peek behind the scenes at our office before it is renovated. Stick around for more updates, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.